Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can see hidden replies on Twitter. So first of all, open the tweet that you would like to check the hidden replies for. Let's say I'll go with this one. Once opened, at the top right corner of the tweet interface, tap on the three horizontal dots. In here you'll have the view hidden replies option, which you want to tap on. And over here, at the next page that the Twitter will forward you to, you'll be able to see all the hidden replies to this particular post, if there are any, of course. Let me show how you can actually view them. Let me show you the example of the tweet having actual hidden replies. So this one will go into the hidden replies, and here we have them. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.